In this video we are going to talk about 25 beauty hacks with household products. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Making your own beauty products from items you already have in the kitchen is one of the most soothing DIY projects on the planet. Hair conditioner, facial masks, body washes, and even limp plumpers can all be made with a few common items, so we've compiled a list of 16 of the greatest combinations for you to try. Many of these DIY beauty hacks call for olive oil, coconut, honey, and baking soda, so if you don't have all of those items on hand, it might be worth shopping up. However, once you've added them to your shopping list, they can help you save a lot of money. Number 25. DIY Coffee Scrub. To prepare this amazing coffee scrub, all you need is ground coffee and olive oil. It's very helpful for fading stretch marks. Ground coffee. When it comes to ground coffee, you have two options. You can either eat it straight from the container or recycle old coffee grounds from your maker. It's your decision. When applied to the skin, the caffeine in coffee improves cell regeneration by stimulating blood flow and circulation. The texture of ground coffee acts as an exfoliator, eliminating dead cells and flaky skin. This procedure allows new skin cells to absorb adequate moisture from the next element. Olive oil hydrates, cleans, and protects the skin. Most significantly, it has the ability to penetrate the skin and operate on multiple levels. Because stretch marks are found beneath the surface of our skin's outer layers, olive oil can help get to the source of the problem. Number 24. Apple cider vinegar and ginger bath soak. To prepare this detoxification bath soak, all you need is salt, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. Soak for 45 minutes to get results quickly. Number 23. Green tea bags to cure puffiness. Place cool green tea bags on your skin for 5 minutes to tighten and depuff your under eyes. Caffeine will aid in the speedy recovery and tightening of your skin. Number 22. Honey, cinnamon and coconut face mask. Massage 1 tablespoon of honey into your face along with half a teaspoon of cinnamon and coconut flakes. This mask is packed with antioxidants and will leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Number 21. Oatmeal to calm itchy skin. Oats are high in lubricating fats and sugars, which moisturize and soothe itching, sunburn, and redness. Number 20. Oil and avocado hair mask. Apply 2 teaspoons of honey to a medium-sized avocado and let on for 20 minutes on dry hair. The avocado's unsaturated oils and honey's humectant properties will moisturize your hair. Number 19. Vaseline Blackhead Remover. Gather your materials. To unclog your pores and remove blackheads, use Vaseline, a cling film wrap, and a washcloth, as directed above. Apply a tiny layer of Vaseline on your nose and wrap it in thin film wrap for 15 minutes. After that, remove the film wrap and use an extractor to remove the blackheads. Number 18. Brown sugar, honey and olive oil lip scrub. To make an exfoliating lip scrub, combine a little brown sugar with the honey and olive oil. Number 17. Peppermint lip plumper. Peppermint can be added to your favorite lip gloss to instantly make your lips appear larger. Number 16. DIY sea salt spray. You only need coconut oil, salt, water, and conditioner to make your own sea salt spray, which adds texture and body to your hair. Number 15. Lavender, honey and apple cider vinegar toner. Using this DIY toner, you can hydrate your skin while toning it. To make a toner, mix equal portions of these ingredients in a spray bottle. Number 14. Oatmeal and chamomile face mask for sensitive skin. Make a strong cup of chamomile tea while you combine half a cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of white sugar in a large mixing bowl. Slowly pour in the tea until it resembles the above mixture, then apply to a damp face for 5 minutes. In no time, you'll have silky, exfoliated skin. Number 13. Green tea and coconut face mask. To prepare this highly hydrating face mask, all you need is a tablespoon of coconut and some loose green tea. Number 12. Coconut and rosemary conditioner. This wonderful hair conditioner may be made with 5 grams of rosemary herbs and 150 milliliters of coconut milk. In a small saucepan, combine the coconut milk and rosemary leaves. Cover and cook for 25 minutes on low heat, stirring frequently to avoid burning the coconut milk. In a small glass container, strain the infused coconut milk from the rosemary leaves. Add around 3 grams of vitamin E oil to the mix. To use, shampoo your hair as usual and towel dry it. Half of the hair mask should be massaged into your hair and combed through. Allow the mask to perform its magic for at least 1 hour to overnight by covering your hair with a shower cap. After a few minutes of rinsing with warm water, style your hair as usual. You can also cleanse your hair if you need to. Use the remaining hair mask within 10 days after storing it in the refrigerator. Number 11. Olive oil face wash. Although it may seem counterintuitive to apply oil to your face, spreading olive oil over your skin acts as a magnet, drawing oil out of your pores and leaving your skin clean and shining. Number 10. Starch as a dry shampoo. If you're desperate, you can use domestic sprayable starch, which is already in most dry shampoos. Number 9. Tape away wrinkles. Sleeping with your face squished against your pillows and blankets can cause a lot of wrinkles. However, as unusual as it may seem, you can use tape to prevent wrinkles while sleeping. To keep creases smooth overnight, simply place a piece of clear medical tape over them. This advice, when applied on a daily basis, can actually assist to prevent wrinkles from deepening over time. Number 8. Coffee supply manicure. You don't have time for a manicure? If you have some coffee ingredients on hand, you can give them a fast DIY treatment to make them soft and clean. To clean and soften your hands, combine a little sugar with lemon juice and honey, then use the combination as a scrub. Clean your hands, then press your cuticles back with a wooden coffee stirrer. Done. Number 7. Cinnamon for plump lips. Michelle Phan, a beauty blogger, swears on cinnamon as a lip plumping ingredient. Apply wet cinnamon to your lips before applying your lipstick for bigger lips. Number 6. Lemon for cracked heels. Start by halves a lemon and then juicing each half using a juicer or reamer. You want to get rid of practically all of the juice while keeping part of the fleshy pulp. Place one of the lemon halves against one of your heels, then pull on a sock to keep it in place. Rep with the other half on the opposite heel. Now is the time to sit back and relax for approximately 30 minutes while the lemons do their thing. It's difficult to move around with lemons in your socks, so do it while sitting down and reading a book or magazine. Remove the socks and discard the lemon halves after 30 minutes. Wipe away any excess juice with a cloth, then apply a generous amount of your favorite thick moisturizing cream or lotion to your feet. Number 5. Sea salt hair detox. It's possible that hair product buildup is causing your hair to look limp or drab. Adding a tiny spoonful of sea salt to your regular shampoo is one of the simplest ways to remove buildup. The salt will aid in the dissolving and scrubbing away of residue from your hair products, leaving your hair clean and silky. Number 4. Coffee facial mask. Here's a unique technique to repurpose coffee grinds. Coffee can be used as a toning face treatment due to its astringent properties and nourishing antioxidants. To make a paste, simply combine a handful of coffee grounds with enough milk to make a paste. Relax for around 20 minutes after applying the coffee mask to your skin. Rinse well with warm water and admire your glowing, toned skin. Number 3. Scrub for smooth legs. 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup oil, 3 tablespoons citrus juice, lemon or lime, or 20 drops are combined in this recipe. Apply the mixture to your legs and scrub, then rinse with lukewarm water and moisturize with your favorite moisturizer after 15 minutes. Number 2. Tweeze eyebrows without pain. It's not easy to keep your brows in check. To make an ice cube glide smoothly over your skin, run it under cold water for a few seconds. Slowly rub the cube over your brow area, being sure to cover any hair spots that you plan to tweeze. The ice cube will numb the skin in several ways. Tweeze your brows as usual for a near painless experience. Number 1. DIY eyebrow gel. Petroleum jelly works wonders for taming brows. With a spoolie brush, swish a small quantity through the strands. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.